how to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. Open up the WhatsApp application in your device and make sure your WhatsApp application is updated. Once you open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you log into your account. Now if you go and open up any of the DP from your contacts on WhatsApp and then again tap on the profile. Now if you screenshot from your device, you won't be able to screenshot. There you will have the black screen. That's because to help protect user privacy, WhatsApp blocks user from taking screenshot of profile photos. That means you will not be able to take a screenshot of another's profile pictures and they cannot screenshot your profile picture too. But there is an alternative way. For that, again go back. Now you have to tap their DP for one time only. Now once you have it, simply screenshot. After that, open up the screenshot picture and then you can simply crop this picture. So precisely crop this screenshot and then you will have their WhatsApp DP. So this is the only way you can take screenshot of someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.